Sanskriti Kolkata's episode number 165. Yes, it's on Katha. We all love these handwork beauties. So today, watch some beautiful new Katha embroidery on silk and tussar. Product number 1. It's on Bangalore silk batik, crack batik with Katha, done in pure Bangalore silk. Before we used to do multicolored batiks. Now we've shifted to only solid color, single color batik. So it looks very different also. This has a different look altogether. 8500. Now initially only let me tell you that batik, Katha, not only batik, Katha work, what happens, there is so much of thread work that we usually do. The fabric shrinks in between the stitches a bit, hence the blouse doesn't come big enough to make long sleeves or even 3/4 sleeves, or maybe sometimes even shorter for a short sleeve. So it's best if you add a fabric. This is the blouse piece for this. Add a fabric to the blouse piece and then get the correct length. So just it's best you can just, I can tell you, these are with borders. Sometimes there are 50, 60, 70, 80 centimeter blouses also, but usually for a big built woman or a, for a bigger sleeve, you need to add fabric. Product number 2. A beautiful red and pink, coral and red. It doesn't have a border. It is in stripes. This is the pallu part. See the stripe, coral and black red color, silk thread work. Another thing, those who are very tall, so suppose maybe 5'6", more than 5'7", till 5'6" it's okay. Those who are more than 5'6", they need to attach a fabric on top, a fall. So in that case, this is also, these are the little loopholes that I'm telling you in advance before you book a Katha. So if you are very, very tall, you need to add extra fabric on your tuck-in part again. And the third problem is, these are usually dried in the sun and in the fields and under the sun in the fields, and these also take months to create these stitches. So what happens, there may be little marks here and there, or maybe the framework is there. These are little problems, but these are the for this, it's not that there will be such a big mark that will show. No, it's not that. Just because there are the Xerox, the printing, the framework is there. So the fabric also stretches a bit, and there are little stain marks. Usually we wash and then we bring to the store, but 1 or 2 spots may be here and there, which is very, very negligible. This is the whole sari and this is the blouse piece for this. Bright hot pink color with dark blackish coffee. All in Bangalore silk. This is the pallu part. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Any one, not both the numbers. And once I confirm you the availability of the product, it will be couriered to you within 2 working days. 8500 for this Bangalore silk Katha. See the work, so much of embroidery, which is why the fabric diminishes to a few inches here and there. But then we love Katha and handwork. It's pride of West Bengal. It's a beautiful, and the quality of silk that we give and the neatness of the work we provide. Usually I never do Katha in art silk, never. I always do it on pure tussar or pure silk or cotton, pure 100% cotton. 8500 for this. Till the end the work will be there, and here comes the blouse piece border. This is a dark two-tone navy blue color, but again I think with this wine color would blouse piece would look nice. A green blouse would look very pretty. See the work. Also you can make the sleeves in navy with the border and the body in a mustard yellow color. Anything you can always mix and match. Black and pink. We have two branches in Kolkata. We are 26-year-old store. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Near the Ballygunge railway station. We have the car park in front of our store, and Sundays we remain closed. Rest of the days 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock we are open every day to serve you. We have the tailoring unit. The menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch only. So please visit for more options, but to get this particular product prior booking is needed. And Katha we do not take orders. A jet black and a pink thread work Katha in Bangalore silk. Worli Katha, Golpo Katha 8600. If you say I can add a black color border and tassel, 300 rupees extra for that in this, or as it is also it's looking very nice. Golpo Katha, Bangalore silk, sleek border. Again you can wear a black blouse with this and use the border. Now the one that I am wearing, colors in this 8600. This is two-tone Bishnupuri heavy quality silk. DT quality, DT heavy quality, pure Bishnupuri silk. Two-tone, very pretty uncommon color in magenta with blouse piece border. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Closely the embroidery for you and the back side. Number 88600, red Bangalore silk dyed katha, green and red color, bright combination in tie and dye. Please note these are hand tie and dye, so these, you know, little this part, it's very natural in tie and dye. Pallu in red, Partly pallu, the pleat part will be full embroidered. The blouse piece red with the border, and here is the look. $8600. Now a rust color similar to what I am wearing, 8800. Similar to what I am saying in the sense the fabric is same and the concept is same. Monotone color thread work in two-tone Bishnupuri silk sari. This is Bishnupuri silk katan. Pallu. Bishnupuri silks are very heavy quality. See the color, it's beautiful rich rust color. With blouse piece with the border. Now Jolchuri Katha in silk number 10, 8800, Bangalore silk Jolchuri Katha. It's a very pretty woven silk with thread work, black and red work. All over body thread work, and here see in between the weaves there is 2-3 lines of run and then katha. There's a beautiful herringbone and run stitch in the border along with the woven stripe border, and the body throughout work. See the body throughout thread work, katha work. Blouse piece, here comes the blouse piece. Number 11, teal color, lovely shade and lovely embroidery. See the work, again Bishnupuri silk, monotone thread work, but yes, this has two colors. See, one is the beige color, one is the off-white color. So it is giving a very pretty shaded look. Two-tone, peacock blue-green color. With blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece border. Here is the sari. Follow us on the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where regular uploads are, regular in the album, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page album. These all still pictures will be uploaded where you can check out the still pictures. Check out our WhatsApp status also. Repetition of saris that are in demand, they are repeated and then they are uploaded, which you must have inquired sometime, maybe they are ready now. So you can just check out the WhatsApp status for more options, and of course visit the store. Half and half woven silk, blue and black with a blouse piece border, and see the work, half moon work. Very pretty. See the half and half concept of this. Now a tussar multicolored, but in half and half. I have a soft corner for half and half because when I started my first social media page, Sanskriti Kolkata, in Facebook, my first international shipment was in half and half Katha sari. And then I sold almost more than thousands and thousands of half and half kathas. Now I've, last few years I've reduced half and half, but then again thought of making some, because I received some lovely silks now. This is the border. It's a purple and a multicolored. This pleats is in Bangalore silk, and the upper part body is in tussar. Tussar Nokshi Katha, half and half. It's a joint sari. So upper part is in tussar and the rest half is in pure Bangalore silk. The blouse will be contrast purple Bangalore silk with work. Here is the pleat part. This is the body part. This is the pleat part. Another sari similar to what I am wearing, number 14, 8,800. Two-tone Bishnupuri Katan. See the work, lemon yellow embroidery in emerald blue-green color. It's a peacock blue-green color, teal blue you can say, teal color. Two-tone pallu with all over, we say this cherry booty. Blouse piece border. Love this color. See the amount of work that has been done in this sari. And now since I am showing a similar one, let me show you what I am wearing. This is also a very nice light jade green color. It's again a two-tone. It's very difficult to say exact color, but it's a lovely shade of muted two-tone greenish color. Jade and blue color, See the work. Lot of work. 8,800. The sari will have the blouse piece of this color with the border, broad border, and the blouse piece is the pleat color. This is 2350 with the earring, pink and jade neck piece with the earring. It goes with a lot of sari. I've been wearing this for a long time now. I have more color combinations in this. Very pretty color combination, pink and jade. And the pair, this 4 set of Eddie bangles is also available. Set of 4 Eddie bangles. We have 2-3 sizes also. 2200 for the set. 2200 for the set. Now coming back to saris. Tussar, Desi Tussar, figure katha. See the lovely figure, thread work, musicians. The work, double line in the lower border, single line in the upper border. All over butta, heavy pallu. All these are with big double pallu. Desi Tussar. Handwork and absolute beauty. Color combination, see the colors that has been used, rust maroon with blouse piece border. The prices are all mentioned in the screenshot. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. After you give the payment, after you make the payment, please send your name, address, phone number, pin code, country in one format. Now a lovely tie and dye katha which was very much in demand, and see the dye that has been done. Lovely abstract, muted colors like lavender, peach, blues, but lovely. See the way the dye has been done very differently with little self on self work. Very interesting dye. The upper part will be full work and the diagonally it will go with maroon. Very interesting sari. Now coming, okay, let me open the bangles. It's making sound and I'm getting irritated. Okay. Now coming to a tussar. Again another lovely dyed tussar katha. See the work. Awesome, isn't it? $9500 Desi Tussar dyed tussar katha. Again, let me tell you, we in Sanskriti, we can proudly say that our karigars are very, very skilled and experienced, and also this team has been with me for long time, many years. So the work, the finish, the complete get up, the dye, the quality, there's no compromise at all. This is the pallu. And I'm really happy to announce that this puja, almost all renowned dailies has featured Sanskriti. We have put them up in the Facebook page, the pictures of celebrities wearing our creation. regular newspapers, renowned magazines. So I'm really elated. But honestly, from my heart, I feel everybody has their own, identity, and all my customers, all my well-wishers are all celebrities to me. This is the blouse piece. So the blouse piece, this will be the border. Oh no, sorry, the blouse piece has fallen off. Okay. This is the blouse piece for this, a royal blue with the border. Again, a lovely, rich, different dye. Jet black, multicolored, very gorgeous evening wear sari. See the work, how well the combination. I'll show you closely why I really am very proud to announce that I have very skilled and experienced karigars. See the work, the finish. So neat. This is the reason why I don't make art silk, or I don't compromise with the quality of the fabric, because this work is lifelong. Just to reduce few thousand rupees, I would not compromise with the quality. Bangalore silk, rich maroon color with very interesting embroidery, 8900. See the work, the finish. Just border pallu concept. This is very ethnic. See the neatness of the work, all geometric. This is the back side. For the still pictures, kindly check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. All these pictures will be uploaded, but first come first serve. We have very good stock now in Katha, so please visit store if you are in Kolkata. Else, of course, you can check out our further episodes in case you miss out any of these handbox saris. This is the two sleeves and this is the back side. So the sleeves and the back will have work, and this is the sari. How pretty this is. This color is very much in demand. Mustard all over floral katha. Katha is, everybody loves Katha. Many of you have seen so many Kathas, but where is the difference between us and regular Kathas? The finish, the quality, the neatness, the polish, and design, and of course the combinations. The motifs and combinations are first that strikes you, and then of course the finish and every detail is important. Every sari has a story. Similarly, this mustard, the mannequin is also wearing a very pretty mustard thread work sari, all over work, half sari, full embroidery. See the work. So that was also a little golden yellow mustard. This is a bit darker yellow, mustard yellow. See the embroidery, how pretty, all over work from half sari, and then rest of the half will have booties and border. This is the pleat, and this is it will have a mustard blouse piece with the border. Okay, now coming back to again another Desi Tussar Golpo Katha, product number 229800. The color is very pretty color, turquoise blue in tussar, so the combination is looking a bit different. Again, for this, if you want, I can do a border or piping with tassels, 300 extra for that, but I think this itself also is looking very pretty. All over Desi Tussar Golpo Katha. This is the blouse piece. So see, this is another very nice combination. During the day also this color will look very pretty. Now this is another very pretty work, Ganesh Katha. Now I'll show you where the border, all over buta, big broad border, all over buta in Desi Tussar, and here is in the pallu. See the work, the whole design that has been done in the pallu, Ganesh ji, Ganpati. Isn't it pretty? In Desi Tussar, and even the color combination, rust and maroon white threads have been used with tussar blouse piece border. Only in the pallu we have Ganesh ji and the rest floral. 9800 for this. Now I'll show you 3-4 combinations and embroidery in this. This is another reverse Katha Ganesh ji, 9800, reverse Katha. Also very pretty. All in Desi Tussar with buta. And here comes the blouse piece for this reverse Katha blouse piece. Another one I have, 25. Throughout there will be, this design is again different. Airavat throughout, half sari, pallu, Ganpati, Isn't the color combination so pretty, and it's going so well with this desi tussar. Really nice and neat work. Half sari, full work, and then from the pleats, Airawat. This is the blouse piece border. You can wear a dark coffee color and use the border. Dark chocolate silk, and just attach the border. It will give a different dimension to the sari. Single color, or you can go for, you know, the vegetable dabu prints that we get in Rajasthani dabu prints in coffee dabu prints, coffee mustard combination. The dabu print blouse will also look very pretty in this. See the work. These color, you get prints, lovely prints in vegetable colors. Another very pretty number 26, 9800 Desi Tussar Temple Katha. Very elegant. Here is the blouse piece. Even with this, a black and red combination blouse would also look nice. Like you make the sleeves in a black silk and the body in red. That will also look very nice. (27) Bangalore silk floral katha 9200. See the amount of work. Throughout, it's looking as if these are all three-dimension flowers, you know, real flowers. It's looking so rich, and you know, it's just as if it's just blooming. Prominent, bright, lovely colors. Katha, many of you, I mean, like me, most of you have multiple kathas, and still we love katha. That is the reason I really sit with the karigars and discuss about what should be the combination, what should be the design, in which fabric, which you know, fabric looks better with what design. So we have a long discussion before they start the work, because these we receive, it takes 4 to 5, 6 months to make one sari. Again, another very pretty Bangalore silk woven. See, it's a solid color pallu with multi-stripe woven body. This is multicolored stripe, and these are the thread work in between the sari. These are the framework, due to which little bit of, you know, in one or two places you may say the fabric has stretched a bit because of the frame that we use, you know. And the blouse piece would be in contrast. Stripe, solid blouse piece, solid pallu. So this is where it's looking nice, na? The multi color stripes with the solid color blouse piece and pallu. another stripe katha woven. Now this is tussar, this is Bangalore silk, tussar silk, woven, pallu in silk, 9200, no border, all stripe with work. Actually this is the sari, and with contrast maroon blouse piece like the pallu. This is the blouse piece. Very smart looking sari. Stripes. This. Last one. Another lovely stripes. Tussar, ghicha tussar with plain tussar, alternate weave, not attached, and the plain tussar will have the Nokshi katha, and the ghicha tussar will be left natural because of the texture, all pure. So what a lovely rustic elegant look. Even the colors that has been used are very, earthy colors, but it look very gorgeous when you wear it with this contrast lovely rust blouse piece. Utmost elegance. আশা করি ভালো লাগলো, কমেন্ট করে দেবেন একটু যদি ভালো লাগে, মেসেজ করবেন, দেখতে থাকুন, শেয়ার, লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।